Okay. So we went step by step, right? That first we join the 4 tables, right? Then we get all the data for all the customers. Now we are customizing this to a specific customer. Okay. Now we pass this customer ID. Now we are going to create a store procedures. Okay. So this is how one first business scenario will be covered, right? So let's get hey, let me know the all the order details of one customer, right? So this is the
Yeah.
first business scenario is going to be covered, right? So let's create the store procedure. Create procedure, and we have to give a very professional and unique name for this. Okay, so what will be the name for this? Any guess? Okay, so first of all, give your name. Okay, then we'll
Get
discuss.
customers name. I
Okay,
don't know.
great.
Maybe.
No, remember, okay, in the live training sessions, I have given the naming standard that we have to follow. So name should be start
Yeah,
with
USP.
exactly.
USP. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
USP.
it's a user
Yeah.
defined SP, right? It's not
Mhm.
system defined SP, it's user defined. You are developing this, so
Yeah.
it should be ESP. Okay, and then you can go with camel case. Okay, that should that looks more professional instead of that underscore.
Mhm.
Okay, for USP that's fine, but after that
Okay.
get customer details. Cust detail is also fine. Customer detail is also detail. Get customer details. Cust details by customer ID. Okay.
Yeah.
You can add, you can get a customer details. Okay, instead of just add a customer. Get customer details by customer ID is also fine, or you can go with by ID also, by cust ID, that's fine. Okay, because
Okay.
customer already 2 times coming, so just remove that cust. Okay,
So
does that make
is
sense?
USP mandatory or like are we using it for our sake?
Yes, it's a good question. This is not a mandatory. This is
Mm-hmm.
just for our sake. And the
Okay.
most importantly, okay, there is some technical reasons. First, it will be identified that is it system defined or it's user defined, right?
Mhm.
So you'll differentiate between this first thing. Second, very important from the performance point of view, okay, for SQL engine, it will be very easy, to pick up that to understand this. It is user defined SP, right? So from the
Okay.
performance point of view, also it is very important, right? Because when you are calling this SP, it will be easily get identified, okay, that it's user defined SP. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So now you have to pass the customer ID as a parameter. Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
Always try to, okay, now when you are giving the parameter name or parameter, always try to match this column name, the parameter name with the column name. Got
okay.
it? So
Hmm.
it will be easy
Okay.
for understanding to sync up, right? Let's say tomorrow you develop this SP and tomorrow after 1 year, someone else is
Hmm.
working on that. So it will be easy for that person, to work on that SP to understand it very easily. Okay. And yeah, at the rate customer ID. Okay. And equal to what is this?
C dot customer ID.
Why? Remove that. Okay, we have to
Yeah.
give the data
So
type for this. Remove this C
Hmm.
dot customer
yeah.
ID. Right. Remove that C dot customer ID. Okay.
Int.
Remove that space as well. Create procedure. 268 line number. Remove that space.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. No problem. So now we have to give the data type for this. Okay. For this customer ID.
Hmm.
What will be the data type? Again,
Int.
Int.
it's yeah, but again, when you are writing store procedures and when you are giving the data types, always try to match the column name and data type with the that same parameter. Okay,
Hmm.
Okay.
so let's
Hmm.
say in a customer table, it's a in customer tables it's integer, right? Then try to make sure it match with this data type.
Hmm.
Okay, otherwise it will be conflict. Let's say if you pass character value for the store procedures And if you pass this, you will get error, right? Conversion error, because you are passing character value to the integers. If this value
Yeah.
is matching with the number, it's okay. But by mistake, if someone pass the character, your SP will fail. Got it? Okay.
Yeah.
So now this is my customer ID integer and as, okay. Then begin and end is required. Begin. Okay. Scroll down. Enter. End. Okay. Good. Now select all this from this here and tab it. Select up to end. No. After begin.
Okay.
After begin. Select this line till end. Okay. Yeah. Right.
Till end.
No, not
Okay.
end. Okay. Not end.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. And just space tab.
Tab.
Space tab. Yeah.
I
Got
shall.
it? Yeah.
Yeah.
So this looks professional code, right? When you write a for loop, while loop, you always
Yes.
write the curly braces, right? And then you give the space,
Yeah.
right? So your code should be look very professional. Now, that sounds good. Okay. Now can you execute this?
Okay. But we have to mention customer ID
Yeah,
here.
exactly. Yeah, good catch. Can you add this customer ID there? Correct. Good one. Okay, now execute this. Perfect. Now my SP is created. Okay. Yeah, execute it.
Okay.
Yeah.